Right, we're at Soi 2 now. We're going to get the bus down to the Amulet market, and we're going to have a little look around there with my friend Doug. Big hi Doug. Here we are at the bus stop. Every bus stop will look like this. Where the market starts. Thammasat University. There's lots of street food as well. So we're going to go into the market now. At the end of this street is the Grand Palace. But what we're going to do today, go down here.
Find the old ones, right? Like really nice ones that I have. I would say close to 15,000. Which is probably more than any around.
How many of these do you have then, Doug, right?
15,000.
15,000.
Yeah. Close to. Which is old ones.
Now we're walking up to the pier now. So you're saying that the water's very high now, right? Let's have a look how the river's going. Lovely boat here as well. That's how, as you can see, the river's high. Now let's go down from the pier. Now Doug, what type of thing are you looking at if you was going to buy something like this?
Oh, any Buddhist, mostly Buddhist. Prefer Buddha images over images.
But would it matter on the gold or the copper or something like that?
Yeah, everything matters. Who the image is, who produced it, who carved it, how many runs. This is my friend Lek.
Lek Radika.
Taking a video of the Amulet market. Can you use the body mine?
Walk station.
I don't mind not so much out of here because it's all new. I prefer the old. So, but there's a few things.
Indian style there. Little bit of a flooding. All okay. right next to the river. Well, we're not getting that for it. Right, we're going to go into this opening of the Amulet market. I have to say, this is really cool. How many times a week do you come in all the time, right?
I used to just do a walk along here 3 or 4 times a week, but now I don't come down very often.
Right.
Well, focus for one thing.
Okay. Making some flowers. Instead of going to the main pier, we can just take this little alleyway down here. That's what we're gonna do. And now we're on the other side
Gives you an idea.
of the short we had. Let's have a look how high this river is. You can see it's right on the ledge. You can see how they're mopping, because when the boat comes in, obviously the water comes into the restaurant.
Thank you.
We'll catch up with you later.
Yeah.
Do you think that likers have to subscribe? Silence is golden.
Oh,
Cool.
sorry. Yeah.